Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering why I'm stood at a football pitch, it's because I'm currently teaching the boys how to play football. From where we left off in episode 1, we had got to EOS. Today is mainly about EOS, but we thought we would just quickly show you a bit of Mykonos because we were there for about a day. We celebrated Noah's birthday, had a bit of time on the beach, and naturally Laura wanted to get a quick workout in. We then had to motor from there because it was really calm to Naxos, and then got to EOS the next day where we anchored up on a couple of beaches, Manganari and Klatstini. I've never can pronounce that beach, prior to going to the port.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
How old are you? 5 years old. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Noah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noah.
Can't believe welcome down there, you got waist. You know you're fine, right? Well done. Well done. Are you happy? I know it's not shaped like a dinosaur, but it's got an egg on it.
Journeys we are meant to take, something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
Wake up, sleepyhead. What's going on over there?
Good morning.
Morning. You having morning cuddles with Daddy?
Yeah.
Ah. You want to go and see the island today?
Yes, lovely. I would love that.
Hi guys, it's a beautiful day here in Sani Bay, I think it's called. We've just moored up here overnight and they've got some big winds predicted coming in tomorrow. So we've decided to chance it, go to the port, and hopefully they're gonna have a space for us. So far, Ross has taught me how to tie off fenders, because I'm gonna need to know that when we get there. How to throw a rope properly. I'm probably going to do lots of walking again like I normally do. We are not planning to leave EOS, as I might have mentioned before, for a little while. We're going to do that for about a month, just slow things down. We've had a really crazy 6 months and now the dust is settling, and we're absolutely loving life, like we're made for this. But yeah, we're just going to enjoy it for a little bit and then we're going to see where we head to next. Here's the sailor now. Say hello, Captain.
Hello.
Here goes nothing. Bye, call it Sani Bay. You are beautiful, but you're going to get windy. That away, Captain. I'm a little bit nervous. This is the first time we've ever done this together as a couple. Got 2 little ones downstairs who are just completely oblivious, but I think we'll be alright. Anchor alarm's going off, why?
So I've got to turn it off because we've gone outside our radius.
Oh, well that's alright. Those houses up there have their own little like mooring at the bottom of the hills. That's where we've been staying. That's the party bay. There's awesome beaches and bars, pool bars along there, as I think I've mentioned before. But we love a little bar that's on the left-hand side called the Harmony Bar. I sang and played there the other night. It was really good fun. I'm sure, but I'm healthy. Yeah. Your sex is on fire. And yeah, we're hoping to catch up with them next week. So off we go to Eos Port. I'm driving the freaking boat! And I don't know what I'm doing. Just that I'm pointing the boat in the right way. Okay, so we're just pulling up to the port now. Well, we made it. So I chucked a rope, a couple of ropes, and didn't need to move any fenders. And it was pretty smooth, in a lovely spot. We just met a lovely couple, so we're off to have a chat. So we're headed out for the day. This is our means of transportation on the boat to the shore. Child number 1, safely transported. Child number 2, safely transported. Now, I've just got to get me across. Thank you. But yeah, we're ready to go out. Noah! Come away from the edge. We've got our ride for the day. Josh is going to have a sleep by the looks of it. Alright, Josh, we'll pick you up later, yeah? And this is our car for the day. We've got a rent-a-car. A little mini Jeep. Cute. Bye-bye, Miss Holly. Guess what, Noah? I've got a surprise for you. Mummy brought the kids. It's Branch and Poppy. There you go, Noah. And Poppy. These are Noah's favourite toys and they go absolutely everywhere with us. And they're otherwise known as the kids. I just got in the wrong side of the car. I wondered why there was a steering wheel in front of me. Off we go, Team College.
Walk, little walk, small,
you guys alright about that?
thoughts, gonna tell them all just what I want. That street, 2 streets, I see you and me hanging on the empty swings. Count high, low, don't worry, my eyes are closed. I'm the Superman and it's my show. 1 shoe, 2, gonna kick with my new shoes. I'm gonna kick until I need new shoes.
At those hipsters, I wanna dance.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop giving me things. Stop, don't stop laughing about it. Stop, don't stop, don't stop. I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop giving me things. Stop, don't stop laughing about it. Stop, don't stop, don't stop. I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't I run, they run, everybody run, run, and we're all just having fun. Sleigh ride, boat ride, piggyback ride, I'm gonna show them all how I can ride.
It's a beautiful still day. I've just got up. I'm going to do some yoga.
1, 2, 3, close your eyes and count to 4. I'm gonna hide behind my bedroom door. Crayons on walls, a color on them all. Draw until I've broken every law. I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop giving me things. Stop, don't stop laughing about it. Stop, don't stop, don't stop. I said don't stop, don't stop.
Now all I've got to do Let's go. I am in love with this. Hello, Eos. Oh, I'll tell you what, Eos has utterly stolen my heart from the moment that we moored up. I don't know, I just got this vibe, and it's like an energy to the place. Look at this. It is absolutely glorious, and I'm about to climb all these steps here to get up to a church, which you can't quite see right now, but it's way up there, and see if I can get a sunrise running. Let's go. So I'm going the right way. I'm just going up, and I'm just hoping for the best. And we are moored right about there, somewhere where the flipping wind that's coming from that way can't get us. Who lives in a house like this? Luckily not me. Ciao, Bella. That's totally not Greek. Okay, so I found this church, and this beautiful picture, which I'm about to Instagram the life out of. But I need to be getting me to that church right there. Is it just me? Or is walking on walls absolutely epic? I actually get why the kids do it. And it's just the best feeling. Away from the edge, baby. Boom. Running all the way up to those churches each day and discovering them is that everything is downhill from there on in. So when you run home, oh my god, I'm about to get run over by a lorry. Hi guys! Hey! The dustbin bed is so friendly around here. The beautiful thing is, it's all downhill, so don't really do uphill running. Off I go. Who needs a gym membership when you've got EOS? In fact, who needs a gym membership anyway? The world is your gym. Sweet home. Hello, honey boo. Hubby. Ross is fixing the hole that he made. How did you make it?
Speared it.
So you managed to catch a boat. Poor old Ali. It's a bit of a long-standing joke at the moment. Ross has been spearfishing about 10 times now and hasn't caught anything yet. Yeah, we're ribbing him a little bit, literally ribbing him because he's actually put a hole in our rib. Poor old Ali. Just got a puncture. So he's managed to spear the boat, but no fish yet. Hey little one. You stay there, you're gonna get run over. We're all stocked up. Got food, full tanks of water. We're gonna try not to eat out. We're gonna try and save money. And just obviously live with what we've got on the boat. We don't need to eat out, but it's beautiful around here anyway. It's quite a cute little monument there. Oh, yeah. And I'll just go back to the boat. So after getting back, unpacking the shopping and sitting down with the boys, we did a couple of hours of homeschooling, dinner, and then bedtime. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
See you in a bit. Mama's going stomping. I'm actually heading in a different direction to what I normally do. Like usually I go this way and I head up into Hora. This time I'm going off this way because I don't know if you can see just up here there's a little church there. I'm also gonna see if it's oh look at the lovely boats, if it's a good walk to do with Joshy. So I want to start taking him on little adventures with me when I go on my stomps. Noah's still a bit too tiddly, and although he might want to come, I know he'll spend probably the majority of the walk moaning. This is like the end of the port area though, where all the kind of locals fishing boats are. And I'm heading up this way to this church now. And there it is, the most beautiful church. Well, one of the most beautiful churches I've ever seen. It's absolutely stunning. And I'm actually behind the church now. I absolutely love how the churches are so simple and plain and white and gorgeous on the outside, and they just shine against the countryside. But inside they're super ornate and they're just absolutely beautiful. And there's all the shops up there. So this just leaves me to head down there, down through all the old people steps, back to the boat. Done. So yesterday was our first full day back at the port, just hiding for the winds, which you can probably hear rustling through the trees right now. It's beautiful. So I did a lot of homeschooling with the boys yesterday. They were pretty slow though, they didn't really have much get up and go in them, but when you're at port, it's a really, and you're hiding from winds and stuff, there's not a huge amount of stuff to do, so it's a really good opportunity to get like a bulk of homeschooling in. So we tend to school in dribs and drabs when the boys are receptive to it and they've got energy and they're kind of like more, as mentally alert as they can be. There's just no point trying to school them when they're just not, when they're in a crazy mood or they're tired. So yeah, yesterday we got a good 2 or 3 hours in. Today I'm going to try and do a little bit with them this morning because Daddy's still got some odd jobs to do on the boat, and then we'll see what the weekend brings. And I think the thing with children is you've got to be receptive to giving them answers. If they ask questions, then we give them answers. That can happen at any time, a lot of science, because they're very inquisitive about the world around them, and rightly so. So yeah, that's kind of how we homeschool. I'm nearly back at the boat now. My arm, it feels like it's going to fall off because of holding the camera. And I don't know if you can tell. You can probably tell I'm having a bit of a moan, aren't I? Well, I was nearly having a moan. I caught myself. I'm hungry. I am hungry. It is 10 minutes past 10 on the 12th of July. My stomach feels like a walnut, dried up walnut. Thirsty and I'm hungry and I'm angry. And Holly Blue's right there, so I'm going. See you later, guys. So we thought we'd just leave you with a few nice panoramic scenic shots of Eos. Such a beautiful place. Highly recommend anyone goes there. So much for families, couples, those who love to walk, those who love to dine, and those who just love the beach life. So just really hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notifications button for more of our uploads. Also, if you want to help us keep the dream alive, you can head over to our Patreon page and become part of the crew. Thank you very much. Bye.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you've lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on.